Firstly, the water level of the pond should be reduced for easy harvesting. In a half-drained pond, a fine mesh depth net will be used. By using the net, scoop the fry along the edges of the pond to minimize the pond disturbance and fry mortality. The fry will then be put in a pail. The fry will be graded using either of these equipments.
Fry and fingerlings should be examined twice a day, once in the morning and once in the afternoon. This is to ensure their safety and health, as they are easier targets for a disease outbreak. If the fry seems to be gasping at the water surface, it would mean that the oxygen concentration is low. Adding fresh water would help to solve this problem. Nauplii draws its nutrition for 2 to 3 days. At this stage, the mouth is not formed and hence, it does not take food from the outside. The body of the nauplii is pear-shaped and not visibly segmented. When the nauplii had grown to about 1 to 2 centimeters, it is known as a fry. At this stage, they have developed scales and working fins. They are primarily smaller-sized zooplankton feeders. It takes about 7 to 10 days for the nauplii to grow up to fry stage. As soon as the fry grows up to 10 to 15 centimeter size, or roughly equal to the size of a finger, it is known as a fingerling. Fingerling is the proper size for stocking in tablefish production ponds. It takes about 30 to 60 days for the fry to grow up to a fingerling size.
A healthy tilapia could achieve up to 2 to 5 kg in weight and 20 to 38 cm in length in between 6 months. This is due to the feed consumption by the broodstock in making sure they reach the optimum weight. Feeding schedule significantly influences the body weight of female broodstock, but not much on the male broodstock. This action resulted with the size, weight, and total length of the female broodstock are slightly different than the male. There are multiple ways that can be used during weighting, such as using the normal or electrical scale.
The procedure for length measurement of tilapia. First, remove tilapia from water. Second, measure directly with a ruler. And last, number and place into tank. The tilapia can grow between 20 and 38 cm long. Harvesting is a very difficult stage for fry as they are more fragile, so the process needs to be carefully carried out as to prevent the fry mortality.